crew, welcome to, I'll let the sign speak for itself. Today I'm going to show you the top 3 photo spots in Vegas. We're going to start out number 3 at the Las Vegas sign. It's actually in Paradise, Nevada, but it's just south of the Strip. Vegas trip's not complete without a stop at the Welcome to Las Vegas sign. Number 2 on the list is the Neon Museum. It's a non-profit organization that takes in old neon signs from the Strip and rehabilitates them. So it's not a place for old signs to go die, it's like a place for them to come back to life. You can go at night or in the daytime. They are restrictive on their camera usage. They don't allow video or even a GoPro or professional cameras. That's awesome. So they don't allow professional cameras, but it's a great spot for photos. Check these out. Number 1 on the list is 7 Magic Mountains. About 10 miles south of Las Vegas is this art installation. It's basically just colored rocks that are stacked up. It is pretty cool and obviously quite an attraction. It started in May of 2016 and scheduled to shut down at the end of 2021. Pretty cool for an Instagram page. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you next week.